Hey guys, how you doing? I know you can't see me. You can see my POV right now. Today I'm going to install back my steering that I just brought back from Bangkok Auto Salon after having Ichi-san signature. Of course, Takuya also signed for me. And this was previously signed by Daisuke. So I have my steering back and I'm going to install it back on my DC2. And before that, I also bought this. If you have watched my videos, it says screws for the steering. You can see it. It's actually a titanium finish. Yeah, looks quite good. Of course, it comes with a top X kind of head, so it's something different as opposed to the Allen key type. So yeah, I'm just going to remove this. Bear with me because I'm going to record while I do it. So nice! Wow, the packing looks good, man. So this is from Vertex. Bought it from the booth, Vertex. Yeah, made in Japan. Can you see that? Right? Nice stuff. Tear it off. Oh, nice. Oh, I like how they packed it separately. Like, you know, the Allen key and the nuts are separated so that you know, you won't get scratched up if you put it together, right? Yeah, nice thoughtful packaging by the Japanese. Awesome. And I love how they have indents here that you can just tear it easily. You don't have to have a scissors or something to remove the packaging, which is good. Oops, I think I tear it wrongly. Let me tear it again. Okay, silly me. Alright, yeah, got it. So let me just take out one screw and just show it to you first. So this is how it looks like. Hope it's in focus. Alright, here you go. Looks rather good, yeah? Nice. Wow. Let me admire it for a while. Okay. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to install back my steering. Let me put the packaging down first. I'm holding one, so I'm going to bolt on one first. So let me align it properly first. Right, so here you go. Can you see it? Yep. Yeah, nice. So I'm going to do the first screw. Just going to tighten up with hand first. Yeah, just hand screw it in first before I use the top X, what do you call that, the winch to tighten the rest. One done. Alright guys, I'm in my car now and I started the engine so you can hear a bit of the vibration inside the car. Yeah, because I want to switch on my AC so that yeah, it's comfortable, it's nice and comfortable while I do this installation. So normally when I do when I install stuff, I like to like, yeah, do the like opposite each other so that kind of like balance off the weight, I guess. Yeah. Wow, the colors are different, man. This is like purplish, this is like more bluish. Nice. Yeah, so I'm just, yeah, you look, I'm just turning in my fingers. It's okay. Alright. Oh, so this is the more purplish one. Oh, wow. I guess it's okay to be different a bit, like gives character to the build. You know, like because all these are like hand burned, right? Titanium. I think it's titanium, though. Yeah. Alright, this is how I do it using my fingers first. Yeah. So I'm doing like opposite each other every time I bolt on something. Cool, man. Can't wait to have it all back together. It's quality Japanese product, man. So happy I found this actually. I was like looking to buy one. Previously I saw Grady. They sold it in the Tokyo Auto Saloon in KL. But I thought that I don't have anything that's Grady, right? I mean, and it has the Grady logo all around it. Yeah, so I was like, I don't know. But it's nice, it's a nice product. But I don't have anything Grady on this car. I mean, I don't have anything Vertex as well, but this one doesn't have the Vertex branding on it, so I'm okay with it. And furthermore, it looks kind of cool. I mean, has the purple finishing, which is kind of different. Yeah, kind of nice. Oh, this one is nice. This one is a bit bluish. Yeah, so like, yeah, okay. Alright, so I hand tied it with my fingers, guys. Alright. Alright, so of course, after hand tying with your fingers, you got to do it properly lah. Yeah. So you got to get the tool that's provided here. Alright, I like it because it's the top X. Yeah. So it's not like the Allen key. Anyone can just open it, right? But this one you got to have this top X nut kind of thing. So I'm going to make sure I tighten it well. You don't want your steering to fall out when you drive, man. Yeah. So of course you don't over tighten it. I mean, as long as you can feel the pressure, yeah, it's good enough. After all, you have 6 bolts, right? So I'm doing it very carefully because I don't want to scratch up the nuts. Yep, that's good enough. Yep, that's good enough. Okay, so you gotta remember when you do this, like to tighten it in sequence. Make sure you don't miss out any one of them. Alright, done this. So I like to do it like opposite of each other so that I can remember as well. So don't over tighten it. Like a bit of pressure, I think is good enough. Alright, done. Awesome. So you can do a test. Oh, feels good, man. Feels nice. Awesome. And of course, fix back the on button. Very easy procedure, guys. Just plug back the socket to the horn. Give it a test. Oh my god, my phone is not working, I guess. Could it be the socket? Let me check. Weird, it's not working. Let me see if there's anything that's loose. Shouldn't be, or maybe it needs to be grounded. Yeah, let me see. Sorry guys, it's been a while since I done this. Yeah, it needs to be grounded on the boss kit because otherwise there's no contact to the electricity. Yeah. All right, just push it in, nice and steady. On is working. Steering is fixed. Looking good. Yeah, so like a lot of people like to get their things signed and all that. I guess for me, it's more than just signature. It's the story that I can tell people how I got this signature, right? Meeting each one of them personally. Yeah, so that's a very personal experience and something to remember for this entire car build. Getting the owner of Spoon, Akuya-san, even Daisuke, which was from Spoon as well. And all this tells a different story on how this build comes together. So I'm really, really happy, not just for the signature, but the entire process of this build. So guys, yeah, this is how I install the steering. Just going to show you in detail, doing some B-roll of the close-ups, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Do like and subscribe my channel for more of this content. All right,